Low melt polyester. We will study about the composition of low melt polyester, structure, key properties, end use applications, specialties, and commercial examples of low melt polyester fiber. Low melt polyester is a type of biocomponent fiber or resin that has a lower melting point than standard polyester fiber. It is mainly used as a thermal bonding material in non-woven fabrics, composites, and textiles, allowing the bonding without a need for additional adhesives or chemicals. When we discuss about the low melt polyester, you can say the temperature of low melt polyester is about a range 110 to 120 centigrade, while the temperature of standard polyester is 240 to 255 to 60 centigrade. Composition of low melt polyester is typically a copolymer made by modifying a standard PET. Main components you can say terephthalic acid, TPA, and ethylene glycol EG. Co-monomer like isophthalic acid or adipic acid to reduce the melting point. As the melting point of standard polyester is 250 around, and while the melting point of low melt polyester is around 110 to 125 centigrade. So temperature or melting point is reduced and often produced as a sheath core biocomponent fiber. The core is regular polyester PET. Sheath is low melt copolymer, melts at 110 to 150 centigrade. This is the composition of low melt polyester fiber. Structure, when we talk about the structure, the molecular, modified, PET copolymer, morphology is it can be filament or staple fiber because it is available in both forms filament staple fibers and used with respect to applications. Cross section often sheath core type bicomponent. Form fiber resin pelt or film. It can be in different forms. Key properties of co are key properties of low melt polyesters are when we talk about the low melt polyester, low melting point it's around 110 to 150 centigrade, while the standard polyester has temperature about 255 centigrade. Second property is thermal bonding. It can be bound fibers, films with heat only, no required of adhesives, no required of chemical bond or chemical glue or any other product. Third property is good dimensional stability after heat setting. It has good dimensional stability after the heat setting. And the fourth property is non-toxic, toxic, eco-friendly, no chemicals, adhesives needed, soft hand feel, especially in non-wovens. And the second last property is washable and durable. Post-processing performance is stable. The last property of low melt polyester is high compatibility with PET, PP, cotton, and wool. It can be used with the blending of PET, PP, cotton, and wool like fibers. End use applications of low melt polyester. When we talk about the end use application, non woven industry is the prime requirement are prime application, thermal bonding fibers in interlink filters, automotives, interiors. Second application is textile and garments, bonding, fusible interlacing, thermal insulation. Third application is home furnishing, toilets, cushions, cushions, pillows. Construction, it is also used in constructions like geotextiles, insulation, mats. Fifth application is automotive industry, headliners, seat padding, door trims. Sixth is packaging, heat sealable packages, films and layers, composite materials, fiber reinforcement layers in plastic or FRP. The last application is medical textiles, hygiene, pads, surgical gowns, bonded layers. These are the applications of low melt polyester fiber. Low melt polyester fiber has specialties like heat activated bonding, eliminate need for glues, and second specialty is energy efficient processing, requires lower temperatures. Third specialty is improved sustainability. No wax or solvent based adhesives are required. The fourth specialty is custom melt range available. It can be 110 centigrade up to 130 centigrade, 150 centigrade. And the fifth specialty is used in recyclable component. Composites can be recycled with PET. So these are the specialties or advantages of low melt polyester fiber. Commercial examples, brands who is low melt polyester or low melt fibers, Willman, Fiber Visions, low melt PET staple fibers. Torre is an important brand or well familiar brand, different applications produced for the different textile sector. Low melt resins and non-wovens. Shin Kong is low melt polyester for interlinking. These are the commercial examples or commercial brands of low melt polyester fibers.